Hello children, so now we are going to study about the numericals which are based on checking the correctness of equation, right? So we are going to solve few of them and we are going to learn how do we apply the application of dimension, how do we apply the basic principle of dimensions whenever we are checking whether the given equation is right or wrong, right? So let us say there is an equation, yes, calculate the value of variables a, b, c and d in the following equation. The question says, first question says v is equals to at plus bt square plus ct cube plus d root t, where v is velocity, t is time. It is already given in the question that v is velocity and t is time. You need to calculate the values of variables a, b, c and d, right? So we have already learnt that length can only be added to length and length can only be subtracted from the dimensions of length. You cannot add length to mass, or you cannot add time to length. Same dimensions, same physical quantities can be added or subtracted. You cannot reduce 2 meters from 2 kg, right? So same principle we are going to use here. Same dimensions can be added and same dimensions could be subtracted. Unlike maths where we use algebra and we write L plus L is L. No, the meaning here is length can only be added to length and it also gives you length, or length can be subtracted from length and it will give you length only, right? Same dimensions are added and subtracted. When it comes to multiplication and division, then we have to add the powers, right? So there are 5 terms in this equation. 5 terms, one term on left hand side is equal to right hand side. So these 4 terms should have the same dimension as that of the left hand term. That is, हम एक एक को लेंगे and we will write dimension of v is equals to dimension of a t. Dimension of v is velocity, it means lt minus 1. डायमेंशन ऑफ a हमें नहीं पता है और t क्या है, टाइम है, ये दिया है क्वेश्चन में. तो a का डायमेंशन कितना हो जाएगा, lt minus 1 upon t, right? Solving a comes out to be lt minus 2. So the dimension of a is lt minus 2. Similarly, in order to find dimension of bt square, we equate it with v, right? Yes. So dimension of bt square is equals to dimension of v, that is lt minus 1. So b into t2 is lt minus 1. b will be lt minus 1 upon t2. So the dimension of b comes out to be lt minus 3. Is that clear? Similarly, we will do for c. ct cube is equals to lt minus 1. c is equals to lt minus 1 upon t cube, right? After solving, it comes out to be lt minus 4. Similarly, d root t is equals to dimension of v. Again, what is the dimension of v? lt minus 1. So d is equals to lt minus 1 upon t की power half. So what is the dimension of d? L, this goes up, t raised to power minus 3 by 2. क्या हो जाएगा ये? lt minus 1, ये ऊपर जाके minus half. So the dimension of d is lt minus 3 by 2. C, D, B and A. And that is how we apply the principle of same dimensions getting added up and same dimensions getting subtracted, and that is how we solve and prove that the variable ka dimension could be found easily, right? Proceeding in the same way, We will solve the next question. Right? So next question says that find the dimensions of A upon B in the equation f is equals to A root x plus bt square You have to find the value of A upon B in this question, where as per the question F is force, X is distance and T is time. I repeat, F is force, X is distance, T is time, right? So dimension of this and dimension of this would be same, then only they could be added. So we will equate these two. Dimension of F is MLT minus 2, A, X is given as distance, it means L ka power half, because root means half. So value of A will be MLT minus 2 upon L half, that is M 1 minus half becomes half T minus 2. This is the value of A. Similarly, BT square is equal to dimension of force, that is MLT minus 2. So B will be MLT minus 2 upon T square. Solving, it comes out to be MLT minus 2, one more minus 2, minus 4. What is asked in the question? A upon B. Right? So that will be ML half T raised to power minus 2 upon ML T raised to power minus 4. M get cancelled out. What remains? L half, ये वाला L ऊपर जाएगा तो L becomes L minus half. L half minus 1, क्योंकि ये वाला L भी ऊपर जाएगा. T minus 2 plus 4. So what remains? L minus half T2. This will be your required answer. It is asked in the question that what is the dimension of A upon B. So that is how we find the unknown dimensions. I hope this is clear to you. Yes. So the next question says, there is an equation. Yes, there is an equation. P is equals to B minus x square. Third question, P is equals to B minus x square upon AT. Right? Where P is power, X is distance and T is time. P is power, X is distance and T is time. You need to calculate the dimensions of A, B. A and B are variables. You need to find the multiplication of A and B, right? Now, first of all, we have to find A and B. This is term 1. This whole is term 2. ये वाली term में there are two more terms that are getting subtracted. B minus x square. So B or x square की dimensions has to be same, because we know that L can be added to L. L can be subtracted to L. So we will directly write dimension of B is equals to dimension of x square. X is given as distance, T is given as time, P is given as power. So what is the dimension of B? Dimension of L. This is L2. So this is the dimension of B. Now power is equals to L2 minus L2. This is very, very important. We will never ever write L2 minus L2, because we know that L2 minus L2 will be L2. L2 means area minus area will be area only. तो L2 अगर यहाँ पे solve करके अगर हम dimension लिख रहे हैं तो ये L2 minus L2 ना लिख के क्या लिखेंगे? B का dimension भी L2 है, इसका भी L2 है. तो अगर हम dimension लिखेंगे तो we will only write L2 divided by A into T. T का dimension क्या है? T. What is the dimension of power? The dimension of power is ML2 T minus 3. ML2 T minus 3. Directly from the table we have to remember. So A का dimension कितना आ जाएगा? L2 upon ML2 T minus 3 T1. T1 यहाँ पे already था. इसको जब हम solve करेंगे L2 क्या हो गया? Cancel हो गया. क्या आया? M minus 1. T minus 3 and T1 is T minus 2. T minus 2 goes up, becomes T2. Right? What is asked? AB. what is AB? AB will be m-1 T2 इंटू B कितना है L2. तो AB कितना आएगा हमारा फाइनल आंसर? m-1 L2 T2. दिस इज आवर फाइनल आंसर. m-1 L2 T2. Is that clear? And that is how we solve. Right? I hope this is clear to you, children. We'll solve one more of the same type. Yes, the question says find the dimension of AB in the equation E is equals to B minus x square upon AT, where E is energy, x is distance and T is time. So ये directly आ जाएगा डायमेंशन ऑफ B इज इक्वल टू डायमेंशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर. एक्स क्या है? डिस्टेंस, T है टाइम और E है हमारा एनर्जी. तो डायमेंशन ऑफ B कैन बी डायरेक्टली फाउंड एज L2. राइट. नाउ डायमेंशन ऑफ A. इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड डायमेंशन ऑफ A पहले हम एनर्जी का डायमेंशन रखेंगे. ml2 t-2 इज इक्वल्स टू L2 माइनस L2. डायमेंशन लिखेंगे तो सिर्फ L2 लिखेंगे अपॉन A इंटू T. हाउ टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ A? L2 अपॉन ml2 t-2 इंटू एक T यहां पे पहले से है. राइट. अगेन L2 LT कैंसल्ड आउट. व्हाट रिमेन्स? m-1 t-2 और T कितना हो गया सॉल्व करने पे? t-1. t-1 गोज अप बिकम्स T. राइट. व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ AB? वैल्यू ऑफ AB विल बी m-1 T इंटू B. B कितना निकाला हमने? L2. So what is the final answer? m-1 L2 T is our final answer. Is that clear, children? Same dimensions, ये directly आ जाएगा. इस dimension को रख के we will solve the other variable and whatever is asked. A B पूछ सकते हैं, A upon B पूछ सकते हैं, A square B पूछ सकते हैं, A root B पूछ सकते हैं, A square upon B, A upon B square, anything could be asked. Whatever is asked as per the question, accordingly we have to solve. Right? So you should practice all of them on your own also. That is why I am leaving the questions like this. Right? Next question. So the next question says that find the dimension of A upon B in the equation P is equals to A minus T square upon Bx, where P is pressure, T is time and X is distance. I repeat, P is pressure, T is time and X is distance. We need to find the value of A upon B. A upon B is asked here. AB was asked here. So यहाँ पे क्या पूछा? A upon B. Again we will start pressure. So what is the dimension of pressure? Either you can write directly if you remember, or you can always do force upon area. Force is mlt minus 2 upon L2. So the dimension of this will be, first of all we will find the dimension of A. A directly आ जाएगा. ये दोनों सेम होंगे तभी ये सब्ट्रैक्ट हुए हैं या ऐड हुए. तो A का डायमेंशन हम डायरेक्टली लिख लेंगे T स्क्वायर T2. Right. Now the dimension of pressure. ml minus 1 T minus 2. T2 minus T2 will be T2 divided by B into L. How to find B? T2 upon ml minus 1 T minus 2 into L. Right. L minus 1 और L क्या हो गए? कैंसिल हो गए. पावर कितनी हो गई L की? 0. So क्या बचा यहाँ पे? m minus 1. L तो यहाँ पे कैंसिल हो गया. T minus 2 ऊपर जाएगा, क्या हो जाएगा? T raised to power 4 हो जाएगा. m minus 1 T 4. Now A upon B is asked. What is A upon B? A upon B will be T2 upon m minus 1 t4. So what is the final answer? M goes up, m t2 minus t4, m t minus 2 will be your final answer. So the value of a upon b comes out to be mt minus 2, right? Right, children? I hope you understood this. Coming to one more type based on the same principle. There are some limitations of dimensional analysis. What are the limitations? We cannot calculate the value of the constants. Mathematical constants cannot be calculated. Second thing, it does not tells us about whether the physical quantity, suppose there is a equation, हम generally क्या solve करते हैं, 3 parameters like up to 3 variables we can find, but if the number of variables are more, then it is difficult to find. I'm talking about the derivation of formula here. And suppose any mathematical equation is in the form of addition, जब भी हम addition की कोई भी equation solve करते हैं, then we cannot derive the formula by using the dimensional analysis. So I'm looking for some good question. Yes, so we'll do that. Yes, the question says, check the correctness of following equation where h is equals to 2s cos theta upon r rho g, 2s cos theta upon r rho g, and it is given in the question that h is height, s is surface tension, r is radius, rho is density and g is acceleration due to gravity. I repeat, h is height, s is surface tension, r is radius, rho is density and g is acceleration due to gravity. We need to check whether the following equation is, the given equation is correct or not. So first of all, we write the left hand side. What is left hand side? Height h. What will be the dimension? L. Right? मतलब ये सारे को solve करके क्या आना चाहिए? L आना चाहिए. That means the equation is right. If you are not getting L after solving the whole thing, it means the equation is incorrect and it is not valid. Right? So सबसे पहले right hand side में अगर हम देखें, yes, right hand side. What is right hand side? 2s cos theta upon r rho g. Now cos theta is a trigonometric ratio, right? And trigonometric ratio is dimensionless. So cos theta वाली term को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? We can consider this as 1. इसको हमने number दे दिया 1. या नहीं भी लिखेंगे then also it's fine. 2 is again a constant, so no need to write its dimension. It's a mathematical pure number. Surface tension. What is surface tension? The dimension is mt minus 2 divided by r. R is what? Length. R means radius. Radius is given in the question. Radius means a type of length. Rho is density. Density ka dimension is ml minus 3. G is acceleration due to gravity. A type of gravity, that is LT minus 2. Right? So we have to solve it now. M get cancelled out directly. what remains, ये L और L माइनस 3, देखो ये L और ये L बन गया L2 into L minus 3, right? And this is what? T minus 2. T minus 2 and T minus 2 also get cancelled out, right? So what remains? Nothing in the denominator, nothing in the numerator part. So we can write this as 1 upon L2 L minus 3. And what is L2 L minus 3? This is 1 upon L2 into L minus 3. This is L minus 1 and it comes up and it is L, right? Denominator में क्या है? L और L बन गया L2, ये क्या है? L minus 3 है. Then 1 upon L minus 1 means L. It means the equation is correct because we are getting the same dimensions on both the sides. So this equation is correct equation, dimensionally correct equation, right? So that is how we solve and check whether the given equation is a right equation or a wrong equation dimensionally. डायमेंशनली हम चेक कर सकते हैं कि इक्वेशन ठीक है या नहीं, इग्नोरिंग द कॉन्स्टेंट्स इन्वॉल्व. विल राइट डाउन वन मोर ऑफ द सेम टाइप. Yes, the question says the rate of flow, no, not this one. Yes, the question says the velocity v in a region is given by, question number 7th, I'll write down here. The question says the velocity of a quantity in a region is given by v is equals to pi p in bracket a square minus x square, a square minus x square divided by 2 eta L, 2 eta L, right? Where a is the radius, L is the length, eta is the coefficient of viscosity, x is distance from the axis of the tube and P is the pressure difference. I'll repeat again. V is velocity, P is pressure difference, A is radius, x is distance from the axis of the tube, eta is coefficient of viscosity and L is length of the tube, right? Find the dimension of the quantity V in the equation. Yes, ये यहाँ पे V दिया है लेकिन ये V क्या है, हमें इसका क्वांटिटी वी नीड टू फाइंड. ये बताया नहीं है कि ये वेलोसिटी है, ये v है और ये v इन सब चीजों पे डिपेंड करती है. नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट व्हाट इज द डायमेंशन ऑफ v, राइट? वी विल कैलकुलेट all of them and we will find what is the dimension of v. This kind of question could also be asked, right? So अभी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड v का डायमेंशन टू बी determine, we need to find its dimension, right? Right hand side is pi p a square minus x square upon 2 eta L. Pi is a constant, 2 is a constant. Ignore. Pressure difference, pressure minus pressure will give you pressure. So what will be the SI unit, what will be the dimension? ml minus 1 t minus 2 is pressure. A क्या है? रेडियस. x क्या है? डिस्टेंस. तो a स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर विल बी L2 माइनस L2. सो व्हाट विल बी द डायमेंशन? L2 डिवाइडेड बाय ईटा. ईटा इज कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ विस्कोसिटी. ml minus 1 t minus 1. चिल्ड्रन यू नीड टू लर्न फ्यू डायमेंशन, नहीं तो बार बार पेजेस टर्न करोगे. यू हैव टू चेक एवरी टाइम. इफ यू लर्न देन यू कैन डायरेक्टली पुट और यू पुट द फॉर्मूला डायरेक्टली एंड डिटरमाइन, राइट? L इज द लेंथ, L इज द लेंथ. लेट अस कैलकुलेट. राइट हैंड साइड क्या आने वाला है? m कैंसिल हो गया है. L माइनस 1 t माइनस 2, ये L माइनस, चलो इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं। L माइनस 1 और L2 कितना हो गया, L माइनस 1 प्लस 2, और यहां क्या है T माइनस 2, नीचे भी कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं। L माइनस 1 और L क्या हो गया पूरी तरह से, L माइनस 1, ये क्या हो गया L माइनस 1 प्लस 1, कैंसिल हो गया पूरा। यहां क्या बचा T माइनस 1, राइट, तो ये तो पूरा कैंसिल हो गया। L माइनस 1, 2 क्या बचा L, T माइनस 2, ये ऊपर जाएगा प्लस 1, सो व्हाट इज दिस, L T माइनस 1। नाउ व्हाट कैन यू से अबाउट इट, व्हाट इज V, since equation is given as correct and we need to find the dimension of V, since dimension is LT minus 1, dimension क्या है LT minus 1, और dimension LT minus 1 किसकी होती है, velocity की। so what is V, V is the velocity of the whatever system is given, so that is how by looking at the dimension we can find out कि ये किस चीज का dimension है। LT minus 2 आया होता तो V क्या होता, एक्सेलरेशन, L आया होता तो V क्या होता, डिस्टेंस, बिकॉज LT माइनस 1 आया तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि V क्या है, V is the velocity, right? I'll read out the question again. Find the dimension of the quantity V in the equation given where A is radius, L is length, eta is coefficient of viscosity, X is distance and P is the pressure difference. So that is how we solve and we apply the principle of dimensions so that we get the correct answer. Thank you so much children.